Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS R5 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We will be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver exceptional results. The Canon EOS R5 boasts a new 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, providing high-resolution images with fine detail. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 features a 40.2-megapixel X-Trans 5-hours CMOS sensor, which also produces outstanding image quality. Both cameras excel in this category, capturing stunning photos that will leave you impressed. When it comes to speed, the Canon EOS R5 takes the lead. With a high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 FPS with a mechanical shutter and up to 20 FPS with an electronic silent shutter, it ensures you never miss a moment. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF covers approximately 100% area with 1053 AF areas, providing accurate and fast autofocus, while the Fujifilm X-T5 also offers impressive autofocus capabilities. The EOS R5 takes the edge in terms of speed and precision. Both cameras have their unique design elements. The Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design, featuring dials for quick and easy setting adjustments. Its compact and lightweight body makes it highly portable, perfect for on-the-go photography. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R5 offers a modern and ergonomic design, ensuring comfortable handling and easy access to controls. Both cameras strike a balance between functionality and portability, catering to different shooting preferences. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS R5 and the Fujifilm X-T5 in various categories. Both cameras offer outstanding features and image quality, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Make sure to consider your shooting style, budget, and specific requirements when making your decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.